Deep in the Bay of Bengal lies North Sentinel Island, one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Here, the Sentinelese tribe has lived in complete isolation for over 60,000 years, untouched by modern civilization. No electricity, no roads, no internet, just the jungle and raw survival. Today, we catch a rare glimpse, imagining what it's like as they prepare for one of their most essential rituals, the wild boar hunt. Armed with hand-carved wooden spears, bows and arrows tipped with sharpened stone, the hunters move silently through the dense underbrush. There are no GPS devices, no maps, just generations of instinct and ancestral knowledge. They track the wild boar by subtle clues: broken twigs, disturbed soil, a faint rustle in the distance. Every movement is precise, every sound calculated. Then, with lightning speed, a spear is thrown. The hunt ends in seconds, and the tribe honors the animal as part of their spiritual bond with nature. But the story doesn't end there. Back at the village, preparations begin for a traditional feast. The boar is cleaned, carefully divided, and roasted over an open fire pit, using methods unchanged for millennia. Surrounded by elders and children, the fire crackles as smoke rises into the canopy. Laughter and storytelling fill the air. The meal isn't just about food, it's about unity, gratitude, and life. Every part of the animal is used, nothing is wasted. Bones become tools, skin is repurposed. The tribe survives not by dominating nature, but by living as part of it. This isn't just jungle survival, it's cultural wisdom at its most ancient and powerful. In a world racing toward the future, the Sentinelese remind us of something profound: that survival isn't always about progress. Sometimes it's about remembering where we came from. What do you think we've lost in our rush toward modern life? Let us know in the comments, and watch our next video exploring the untouched rituals of Earth's last uncontacted tribe.
Mama,